Hello and good evening. Welcome to this evening's bulletin on Goa 365 with me, Amanda Alfonso. Assembly unanimously adopts resolution urging special status for Goa and Narvekar for ban on sale of orchard and agricultural lands to non-Goans. The Goa Legislative Assembly on the last day of the present monsoon session yesterday unanimously adopted a resolution moved jointly by the MAPSA MLA Francisco D'Souza and the Kurtori MLA Alexio Reginaldo Lorenzo calling upon the state government to urge the union government to bestow special status to the state of Goa. This, according to them, was urgently required to protect the unique identity of the state.
Strongly recommends to the government of Goa to take up with the union government the urgent need for granting special status to Goa so that to ensure that the state preserves its unique identity. I am now putting it to the vote of the House. The question is for resolution to be adopted. Those in favor may be aye as amended. Those in favor may say aye.
Aye.
Those against say no. Ayes have it. Ayes have it. The resolution is adopted.
The MAPSA MLA Francisco D'Souza moved the resolution and appealed to all members of the House to support the resolution.
House strongly recommends that the government of Goa to take up with the union government the urgent need for granting special status to Goa on the lines of special status granted to the states of Mizoram, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand under Article 371 of the Constitution of India for regulating ownership and transfer of land, especially with respect to sale of land to non-residents foreigners in order to conserve the limited land resources available for development and to ensure that the state preserves its unique identities. Speaker sir, गोंयची जमीन 3702 स्क्वेअर किलोमिटर्स आसा आनी हितूंतली राखीव धरलेली जमीन म्हणजे रिजर्वड लँड फॉर फॉरेस्ट, agriculture, CRZ, river bank setbacks, highways, MDR, railway corridors, airports, open space आणि आता आमी जमीन वापरल्या पळय ती धरून म्हाका दिसता सादारणशी 400 स्क्वेअर किलोमिटर जमीन उरता फॉर फ्युचर डेव्हलपमेंट. आता तूं म्हणटलो म्हाका हांवें म्हाजे 400 खंयचे हाडले पळय ते आनी अंदाजान हाडल्या. I tried my best to get figures from the town and country planning department. पण महत्वाचे म्हणजे कितें गोवन आयडेंटिटी प्रत्येक गोंयकाराक आपूण ह्या गांवांत परकी खो दिसता. तेजें कारण आहा व्हडले व्हडले मेगा प्रोजेक्ट येता, डेमोग्राफीक चेंजीस जाता आनी भायले सेटलमेंट जाता गोंयान, मायग्रेशन हेजो मोठो भंय आहा. पूण हे राखतले आनी हें बंद करतले आमी ते आतां विचार करिना जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता फाल्यां घडयेक उशीर जातलो. उशीर जावचे पयलीं एक कारवाई करपाक जाय. आनी दुसरो आमकां इकॉनॉमीक स्टेटस जावं. आमी जेन्ना केंद्र सरकाराक खुबसो रेवन्यू दितना आमी तितून आमकां परते कितें तरी येवपाक जाय. हेजे खातीर आमी सरकारा कडेन प्रयत्न करपाक जावं. म्हाका दिसता हे दोन विशयाचेर हांव बाकीचे मेंबर म्हजे बरोबर सहमत आहा खंय दिसता म्हाका. सगळ्यांनी एक जावन आमी केंद्र सरकाराक आग्रह करया आनी हें करून घेवपाक अत्यंत गरजेचें आहा न्हू. हेका उशीर करपाक जायना.
The Kurtori MLA Alexio Reginaldo Lorenzo appealed to the House to support the resolution.
Under Article 371, there are special provisions under 371A, and in that provision, there is in some few states, it is given that for religious social practices or maybe ownership due to some transfer of land because of its resources, this provision could be invoked. But as far as the state is concerned, we have to enact one legislation which cannot supersede the central act. But however, since the interest of the state is involved and it is always the apprehension in the minds of the people. So I have spoken my view to the Chief Minister, and I feel that if at all some mechanism could be worked out where all of us unite and we pass a resolution beyond party lines and some status could be achieved, some status could be given to our state. And I think more so he has covered whatever I have to say. I would appeal to all the members to consider in whatever way possible. Thank you, Speaker.
The Deputy Speaker Morvin Godino stressed on the need to protect agricultural land in the state.
Ban the sale of agricultural land. Agricultural land per se should not be permissible to sold to anybody except within Goa, people residing in Goa, and only farmers. This is one step that can be taken. It is all, that legislation is already there in Himachal Pradesh. At the same time, what I want to say is, as far as special category is concerned, whether Mizoram or Uttaranachal or Himachal, these states have got special category. We came in the planning process much later. 2 plans we lost. That means we were never compensated. But for the hard work done, with all the drawbacks, I must say, the politicians at the helm of affairs from various political parties has worked to get Goa to a state where today it is called one of the best states in the country. Now when this is happening and this has happened, in spite of our drawbacks, which means we could have done better, but in spite of that, this happening, now we have to preserve this situation. Center has to give us special grants, more money for development, build a world-class infrastructure, so that we are really, in all terms, in the real sense of the infrastructure, in the real sense of development, in the real sense of a state which looks better than any foreign country.
The Santa Cruz MLA Victoria Fernandez said that the time has come to work together to protect the land of Goa.
आमी सगळे जाणा गोया कितले सुंदर तें. इट्स अ ब्युटिफूल प्लेस, पॅराडायस आनी कितें असले उतरांनी गोंय पाचारता. ताची सोबिताय पळयशी, दोंगर, शेतां, माड, फुलां, फळां ही पळयल्यार तान बूक न्हिवता, दर्या ही आयज पळयशी, नदर मारशी जाल्यार आमकां दिसता की स्लोली हें सगळें डिस्ट्रॉय जाता, हें काबार जायत वता आनी हें नांव आमकां मेळ्ळां तें एक घातीक आसा तातूंत. कित्याक आयज आमचे जागे, आमची शेतां भाटां ही सगळीं विकून काबार जाल्या. आमी आतां गरज आसा आतां कितें तरी आमी सांबाळून दवरपाक आसा पळय तें. आमचे कॉमिदादीचे जागे खंय आसा? ह्यो आमच्या पुर्वजांनी दवरलेले आमकां. कितली सुंदर तो कायदो आसलेलो. हो कायदो सगळे जगभर मानताले कसलो कायदो प्रिजर्व करपाचो. पूण आयज थंय सुद्दां आमचे जागे गेले. अशें तर जालें जाल्यार आमचे भाव जी भायर आसा, आपल्या पोटा खातीर दर्या आनी हें काडून भोंवता, ते खूब वर्सांनी परते आयले जाल्यार दे वील बी स्ट्रेंजर्स इन देयर ओन लँड. हांकां आमी कितें तरी सांबाळून दवरूंक जाय म्हूण हें सांबाळपाची गरज आसा.
The leader of the opposition, Manohar Parrikar, said that the resolution was aimed at preserving the identity of Goa.
आयज जो हे मांडलेलें आसा, ह्या स्पेशल स्टेटसान आमी फायनान्शियल हाजी स्पेशल स्टेटसाची गजाल करूं ना. जी एक ल्हानसो ताजो भाग आसूंक शकता, पण जो मेन जो भाग आसा आमचो, म्हणजे अजून पर्यंतची जी स्पेशल स्टेटसची गोंयाक मागणी आसताली ती फायनान्शियल बेजीसचेर आसताली. मेन आमी हांगा जो स्ट्रेस केल्लो आसा म्हज्या सहकार्यान, तो गोंयच्या युनीक आयडेंटिटीक तशीच सेफ दवरपा खातीर आवश्यक आशिल्ली स्पेशल स्टेटस. आनी म्हाका दिसता हो दवरपा फाटल्यान भुमिका सादी आहा. 3702 स्क्वेअर किलोमिटर जमीन, सादारणशी 1450 स्क्वेअर किलोमिटर फॉरेस्ट, 1000 पर्यंत जवळ जवळ एग्रीकल्चरल लँड, अरावंड 500 स्क्वेअर मिटर ऑफ मॅनग्रुव्ज, मागीर तुजे खाजन, कोस्टल रेग्युलेशन झोन मुळे डिस्टन्स थंय बांदूंक येना बऱ्याच जाग्यार. हें सगळें काडलें जाल्यार 850 ते 850 स्क्वेअर किलोमिटर जमीन उपलब्ध आहा. तातली मोर दॅन 50% हॅज बीन ऑलरेडी कन्ज्युम्ड.
The former finance minister Dayanand Narvekar requested the government to bring in a legislation to ban the sale of orchard and agricultural lands to non-Goans.
I would request this government, before doing that, please do one thing. Bring a legislation which is there in Karnataka. Bring a legislation which is there in other parts of the states, which says that you cannot sell agricultural land to the people from outside the state. It is there in Karnataka. Goa, for posterity, some of our town planners have decided that there is an agricultural land. 114 form tells about lakhs of square meter agricultural land. But it is very important, and also there is what is known as orchard land, which has been notified as an orchard land. I will request this government see that orchard land and agricultural land is not sold to people from outside the state. Do it.